Here's your cab. Pretty basic. It's got armor fixtures. That's pretty nice. Anyway, it's just your basic old Dover elevator. Anyway, let's go up. Here's your panel. It's a Dover. Awesome old armor COP. We're gonna go up to 4. Fan just started up. That's weird. We're at the top at 4. I guess all of the numbers are burnt out. That's all outdoor operator. My fingers are very dusty. Sorry about that. There's the cab once again. It's got the springy armor buttons. It's very weird how the fan only runs when the elevator starts moving. And then it turns off when the elevator stops. I don't know what on earth that's about, but it's strange. And then watch. And now the fan's off. That's very weird. Anyway, one last look at the panel. I love these old armor fixtures. Anyway. Watch it close up.